Are you looking for a practical solution to enhance the safety of your bathroom and toilet? Introducing Perk's Folding Grab Bar, designed for safety, convenience and durability. Hello everyone, I'm Ajinkya and let's dive in. The wall-mounted grab bar by Perk is a reliable bathroom aid designed to assist you in safely getting up from or sitting down on the commode seat. This folding grab bar is suitable for elderly, handicapped and disabled, people with mobility issues, pregnant women, parents with young children, people interested in home improvements that enhance accessibility and safety in bathroom, also healthcare facilities like nursing homes, assisted living facilities and hospitals that require durable and effective support aids for their residents. It is made with high-strength stainless steel inner tube, antibacterial and anti-slip nylon particle outer tube. The 3.5 cm diameter grip is in line with the human body design and gives you a comfortable feeling. The folding grab bar can be vertically flipped at a 90-degree angle and rested against the wall when not in use. It also comes with a floor support that ensures complete safety when weight is put on the grab bar, and the bumps of its design can increase friction and prevent slippage. Though the product weight is just 3.5 kilograms, yet it can hold weights up to 136 kilograms. It is also non-fading and water resistant. Perk's grab bar is also easy to install. The height and length are calculated for majority of toilets. You just have to measure the size and installation location before buying this grab bar. It comes with complete accessories including expansion bolts, screws and installation instruction. You can also install this grab bar near bathtub to make it easier for individuals to get in or get out. Perk's grab bar provides a long service life up to 10 years. Now whether you are enhancing the safety of your home or looking after a loved one, the Perk's folding grab bar will always be a smart and reliable choice.